Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how you can prepare these fluffy and soft dahi vada easily at home using homemade instant dahi vada powder. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. To prepare vada, I am going to use combination of two lentils. This is the moong dal and this is the urad dal or the urad lentil. I am going to use both of them, but if you want you can just use the moong dal. Into the bowl add 2 cups of moong lentil and half cup of urad lentil and then add the water and wash it 2 to 3 times so that if there is any dust or dirt it will remove. Now strain the excess water using the strainer. Once all the water is strained, spread it onto the cotton towel and then rub it gently so that the excess moisture is absorbed. And now you have seen there is no water when I am touching it. Now you can place it under the sun to dry for about an hour or dry roast the lentil into the pan on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until it became crisp. After 2 minutes you will hear the crisp sound. This is perfect. Remove and roast rest of the lentil same way and let it cool down slightly. Once it is slightly cooled down, take a grinding jar and add small portion of the dal. Cover the lid and grind it into the smooth powder. After grinding, this is how it looks like, and you have seen it is slightly coarse in texture. Now take a strainer and steep the ground lentil as you have seen here. I am doing here so that the fine powder is inside the bowl and the coarse powder is in the strainer. This is the perfect consistency. Now again grind it with the rest of the lentil and then I will show you. After grinding all the lentil, this is the remains. You can use it into the soup or different dishes, and this is the fine powder ready as you have seen here. This is how it looks like. Now take a clean glass jar and fill the mixture into this, and you can store this for up to 6 to 7 months. Now I am going to take 1 cup of instant dahi vada powder and now I am going to gradually add the water. I have added total 3/4 cup of water and prepare the lump free batter. And you have seen the consistency of the batter. Whisk it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that use your hand and then whisk it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes you will notice the batter became fluffy. At this point add salt and asafoetida or hing and now whisk it for about 1 more minute. And now the batter is ready. For frying, add some oil into the kadhai and the oil is medium hot. Now to check the temperature, take a small portion and drop the ball into the oil, and if it is quickly flowed, that means the temperature of the oil is perfect for frying the vadas. Now take a small portion from the batter and drop the small balls into the oil. Do it carefully if you are doing it first time. Once you have dropped sufficient balls into the oil, now let it fry for about 1 minute on medium flame. After 1 minute you will notice the balls are floating in the oil. At this point flip and fry until the color turns to golden brown. After 2 minutes you will notice the balls are perfectly cooked. We don't want to cook it more. Now remove it into the separate plate. You will see the color. Remove it from the oil. And now similar way prepare rest of the vadas from the batter. Fry rest of the vadas on the medium flame and the second batch is also ready. And now I will show you how soft and perfectly fried these vadas are. Now it's time to assemble these. First you have to take a bowl of water, add pinch of asafoetida or hing. This is totally optional. Give it a quick mix and then few vadas and then soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. To prepare the creamy yogurt. Here I have taken thick plain yogurt. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar and give it a quick mix, and within a minute you will get the creamy yogurt. The yogurt is ready. Now it's been 15 minutes. Gently squeeze the water from the vadas as I am doing here and put it into the separate dish. Do it gently, otherwise it will break because it became more soft. To serve dahi vada, add few pieces of vadas and pour yogurt on top of that according to your choice. How much you want, you can add the yogurt, and then sprinkle some roasted cumin powder, salt according to your taste, and red chili powder according to your taste, and then green coriander chutney or green coriander sauce. I have already shared the recipe, and then tamarind sauce, the recipe in the description box. Pour according to your choice, and then pour more yogurt on top of that, and the dahi vada is ready to serve. Isn't it look so tempting and yummy? And I will show you how soft the vadas are as I am cutting it with the spoon. It will automatically break without giving any pressure, and the dahi vada is ready to serve. This festive season, make this instant dahi vada and amaze your friends and family. So one thing, whenever you want to eat the dahi vada, just soak the vadas into the water for 10 to 15 minutes and then serve as I have shown here. Hope you like this easy recipe of instant dahi vada. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And happy Holi to all my YouTube family members. Thank you. Thanks for watching.